An upgraded variant of the Rustom-1 medium-altitude long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle that was carrying out demonstration trial for the Central Reserve Police Force has crashed during landing. The Rustom-1 has already demonstrated auto takeoff and auto landing capabilities, but it is not sure if the UAV involved in this incident was equipped with autonomous takeoff and landing features, and might have been caused due to human error by the remote pilot. The Rustom-1 has already demonstrated 10 hours of endurance and a range of 220 kilometers at 25,000 feet, and as the airframe and engine is already proven, this incident is not being seen as a major setback to the program. After releasing the tender to convert its Kiran trainer into an unmanned aerial vehicle, officials have said that Hindustan Aeronautics will use retired trainers to test new artificial intelligence-based technologies that will find its way into the Wingman program and 5.5 generation AMCA fighter jet program. After Hindustan Aeronautics is done with the testing, the DRDO will use it as a target drone for its 350 km range Astra Mark III air-to-air missile, as the pilotless Kiran will be more realistic and highly maneuverable than the existing Banshee target drones. Cochin Shipyard has announced that it will operationalize a 170 crore rupees modern shipbuilding facility by June 2021 in West Bengal, and it is to be noted that the shipyard had recently emerged as the lowest bidder for the 10,000 crore rupees contract by the Indian Navy to build 6 next-generation missile vessels that will have advanced stealth features like low radar cross-section and low-infrared acoustic and magnetic signatures, and will be equipped with BrahMos anti-ship missiles, surface-to-surface and surface-to-air missiles and very short-range air defense system. After extensive delegation-level talks between Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and his South Korean counterpart, India and South Korea have agreed to go for joint production and export of military hardware, and also enhance intelligence sharing and boost cooperation in cyber and space domains. The South Korean defense minister also expressed interest to invest in India's 2 defense corridors, particularly by investing in joint ventures under the Make in India initiative. The navies of India and the US conducted a 2-day joint exercise in the eastern Indian Ocean region that saw the participation of Indian Navy's stealth frigate and P-8I long-range maritime patrol aircraft along with the USS Theodore Roosevelt carrier strike group, including the Arleigh Burke-class guided missile destroyers. 2 EA-18G Growlers assigned to the Grey Wolves of the Electronic Attack Squadron flew in formation with the Jaguar deep strike aircraft and 2 Su-30 fighter jets equipped with BrahMos air-launched cruise missile in the joint maritime exercise, which is a strong message to China, which has been increasing its presence in the Indian Ocean.